It is necessary to lube the chain of your bike at every 500 km for any bike, or else it will start making some noise and also it affects the performance and pickup of your bike. The latest edition of Hornet comes with an O-ring type seal chain, which is far better than the older version. And in this video, we will have a look at how to lube the O-ring type chain of your Honda Hornet Special Edition. At the beginning time, I went to the Honda showroom for lubing. They used old engine oil to lube the chain, which is not recommended with this new chain, so I decided to lube it myself. So the step 1 is to clean the chain. My bike's chain and sprockets are completely filled with dust and oil. Continuing with this will reduce the life of the chain. And the oil also made my rim dirty. Do not use petrol to clean the chain as it is not recommended by the company itself. It is also not recommended to use diesel as it has sulfur content. So better use kerosene or Motul C1 for cleaning. First, place your bike on center stand. Keep the gear on neutral. Open the casing of the small sprocket using a spanner. Take the kerosene, a toothbrush and start cleaning. Try to reach every end. Here you can see the oil used by the service center guys mixed with dust, and it is completely not recommended. After cleaning with the brush, the chain looks like this. Now I will use a cloth dipped in kerosene for better cleaning, and you can see the oil still there. Now it's completely clean as you can see. The same way, just clean the small sprocket too. Then run the bike on stand to remove the kerosene content and just wash it with some car wash. Now it's completely clean and looks like new. And step 2 is to lube. So this is actually a chain lube, and the better one is the Motul C2, actually the better chain lube for this kind of bikes. I am using the Vidol chain lube. Just open the cap, fit the nozzle and spray each and every part. Leave the bike idle for about 15 minutes, then ride. It's done. Remember to lube the chain at every 500 km. Thus we are coming to the end of this video. If you have any doubt, please do add in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.